Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and I'm the activity author here to bring you another book inspired craft video. And if you don't know me, hey, I'm Cheryl. I'm an author and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. Because you know, we don't get enough shine out here, so we gotta highlight the self-published authors. And if you like children's books and arts and crafts, you're gonna love this channel. So make sure you guys hit that like button already because you're already gonna love this video, and hit that subscribe button so you can stick around and be a part of my creative army. Yes, okay. We got a good video for you here today because guess what? We got a returning author. Yes, you guys just recently saw this author if you are a subscriber of mine. So guys, we have another book by Dr. Deven Tellis. Yes! Let's hear it for Deven Tellis because we love her, don't we? And this book, y'all already gonna love it, and y'all gonna love the craft to go along with it, okay? So without further ado, today's book is called Good News, I Like My Brand New Attitude. If you're looking for a book to help teach your kids how to have a positive outlook on life when things don't always go our way, you need to stick around and hear more about this book because I'm going to tell you more about it at the end of the craft. All right, so y'all already know what I'm already going to say, especially if you're an OG subscriber of mine. So go ahead, say it with me this time. Y'all ready? Let's get crafty. Okay, so we can see the sun shining quite a bit in this book, so I figured that's what we're going to make. But we're not just going to make any old sun. We're going to make a sun using newspaper. You get it? Good news, newspaper. So I'm going to show you guys how to do a little newspaper art by painting this newspaper like my kids are doing here, and we're going to transpose this into a beautiful sun craft. Now I could turn this into a picture, but I wanted to go a little step further. I figured a good craft to go with this is a nice card. So we're going to take our painted newspaper and we're going to cut out triangles for the rays of the sun. And we're going to turn this into a card that your child can give to someone and give them some good news in their life and encourage them to have a positive outlook on life. So that is what we are doing. And look how cool this turned out. Now guys, you don't even have to use the plate. You can use just newspaper if you want to do this project. I'm just adding the plate as another value, but you guys can add a face to your sun, make it look as cool as you want, add some shades. Sky's the limit. And then you're going to put a cool little a little message on the front, and then give someone some heartfelt words or words of encouragement in the inside. So that way you are paying it forward and you're spreading good news and good vibes. Y'all saw what I did there? Good vibes to those in need. So y'all, sky is the limit with this one. Wasn't that such a fun craft? I swear, like that was so innovative and creative, and I know your kids are gonna love that one. So guys, y'all gotta make sure y'all do me one favor, okay? Can y'all do that for me? Make sure y'all take a picture of your child's artwork, right? Go to my Instagram, it's right here on the page. Go to my Instagram, tag me so I can see their artwork and I can highlight and celebrate their work on my page. Okay, can y'all do that for me? That's just a small little favor, just a small favor. Y'all can? Okay, cool. I knew we were besties, I knew. So thank you. So now, don't leave yet, because y'all already know, I told y'all I'm gonna tell you guys now about the book and why you need to add it to your child's bookshelf today, okay? All right, so check this out. Are you looking for a book to help encourage children to think positively no matter what happens to them in life? Well, good news. I got good news for you. Good news is a brand new attitude, and it's the ideal book to motivate young children to choose to find the good in any situation, you know? And I think this can help some adults out there as well. So, good news. I like my brand new attitude is the third book in the Bright Future book series, and it adheres to the theme of encouraging positive thinking, self-love, and self-confidence. So this book will show children that they can make their own choices and have a positive outlook on life. Okay, now y'all don't forget it has vibrant illustrations, relatable content, all of that stuff is in this book. So this kind of reinforces the value of a growth mindset and will serve as a meaningful conversation starter for children and families all over. So y'all gotta grab this book. Now, a little bit about our author. Dr. Deven is an author that specializes in written, beautifully illustrated children's books that highlights children of color. Each of her stories has a positive message worth sharing. And I also love that she's a K-12 foreign language teacher. So shout out to all my teachers out there. Yes. She can often be found, of course, spending time with her husband and her children, just like me, a nice little homebody. And Dr. Deven's unique perspective is the foundation of her creative nature. So this fuels her passion for reading, writing, food, family, and storytelling. So she is really passionate about what she do, guys, okay? Something else about Dr. Deven is she loves to inspire others with her writing and public speaking. So she wanted me to tell y'all that she is open to doing school visits, author visits, and vendor events. So if you guys know of a great event for inspiring kids, please hit up Dr. Deven and see if she can come talk to the children and spread her positive good vibes. Another thing she also wants you guys to know is that she has a publishing company, and her publishing company is called Blooming Books Publishing, and her goal is to help other aspiring authors realize their dreams through self-publishing. So if you are interested in writing a book, she will get you started with that. So you can also hit her up for that as well. And then lastly, guys, keep an eye out because she has a new journal dropping soon, and this journal is called the Weekly Affirmation Journal for Kids. That should be an awesome treat, and we definitely need something like that. So I'm looking forward to that. You guys make sure y'all follow her on her social media so y'all know exactly when this drops. Okay, I have everything linked down below, her website, her social medias, where you can buy the book. So please check out that description box for me. Okay, I want to thank you guys so much for making it to the end of this video. You guys are the real MVP, and I love y'all for it. I love y'all. And guys, look, we almost to 1K subscribers up in here, so y'all need to be sharing my videos. Why? Because when you share my videos, more people can find out about my crafts and get crafty with these kids. And y'all already know, the more you craft with kids, the more creative they get, the more they become leaders, it boosts their confidence. We want kids out there to be creative. So definitely share this video with a brother, sister, mother, teacher, parent, daddy, pastor, anybody out there that loves kids crafts. Y'all share this video for me, okay? And don't forget to go to that description box. Go to the description box right now. Go find Dr. Deven Tellis, and I want y'all to follow her on all of her social medias because she is out here doing it, y'all. She is killing the game. So go follow her, okay? All right, perfect. So guys, don't leave just yet. I got over 250 videos here on this channel that you guys will love. So please click one of these 2 videos here on the screen and keep the party going. And I'll see you in that next video. Bye.